Hey everybody, this is Dr. C, and I wanted to share with you guys some really exciting news. I'm going to tell you what, I'm thrilled. On July 16th, I have a new associate joining the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. Her name is Joan Keel. She's a nurse practitioner who's got extensive experience in hormone and wellness medicine. She's really talented lady. I think you're all going to be excited to meet her. I'm telling you what, we've been so overwhelmed and we're so grateful and thankful for all of you who have received us, who are our patients. But it's getting to the point where the demands on my time have just been getting overwhelming. And to be able to come across someone with the talent and with the knowledge that Joan has is just a wonderful thing to happen. It means that y'all are going to get some extra great care in here, because not only is she going to help absorb some of the capacity, she's bringing some very specialized new things into this office that are going to be able to expand our ability to get out into the wellness area of medicine. She has an internal medicine background, so it complements my background very well, and it's going to be a fantastic thing. She's smart, she's great, she's fun, she knows what she's talking about, she loves taking care of patients, she loves hormone therapy, she loves wellness medicine, and we couldn't be more thrilled to have her here. So look out for her starting on July 16th. It's going to be great. All of you are going to get to know her, and those of you who want to work with her, you're going to be able to have that opportunity, and all of you want to stay with me, you can all stay with me. But it's great to have her here to help us grow this practice and really meet the needs of our patients in a way that's even greater than what we've been able to do to this point. So I hope you all give her a big welcome when she arrives, and thank you all for the great success we've had here in Orlando.